Hey guys, my name's Ken Hicks. On the forums I'm SaltyCon, and I'm starting this off at 200 yards for the Airgun Depot Golf Ball Challenge. My target is a big piece of cardboard. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's right off the back corner of that black car there, way off in the distance. I'm starting it off at 200 yards, so here we go. I'm using Rapid Air Weapons HM1000 and 30 cal, the Citron scope 10 to 50 by 60, and I'll be shooting at 40 power. So here we go. I'm going to slide you in and you'll see what I'm seeing. Not sure why it's so dark. There we go. That should be good. All right, here we go. 200 yards. I got 2 magazines loaded here, so hopefully we'll get a break in the wind, but it doesn't look like it. So, all right. Here we go. First shot. Make sure my gun's level. Got some wind here going from left to right. Now it's backwards because of the side shot, so here we go. Went about 3 inches to the left of the golf ball. Let me try it, same spot again. Boom, second shot, guys. There you go. Now I ain't gonna lie, I've been out here practicing. You've probably seen my videos, but here we go. I'm gonna slide you out of the side shot and we'll walk you down here to the target. Let me take the zoom off here. There we go. So 200 yards is about the max I can get on my property, but tomorrow I'm going out to a buddy's hunting camp and we're gonna try and get above 300 yards here. I got FX rings on that gun and I hardly have any adjustment on them now to get that, so shouldn't be a problem as long as the gun's capable of doing it. Hey Layla, what you doing, pretty girl? My range dog. And my personal range, this is my house, so this is my personal range right here. I shoot 25 meter bench rest. I'm blessed to have the abilities to be able to do that. My 25 meter targets. And my 50 meter. From my benches to the target is 120 yards where the golf ball's at. So I'm beyond the house and all the way at the edge of the property at the end of my driveway. You probably hear the cars flying behind me, but do what you gotta do. I don't have any neighbors. Well, the one neighbor I have, he's pretty cool. It's gonna be a long video. I'm just doing it with my phone. I spend my money on my guns, not on video equipment. I let the professionals like Steve do that. So there you go. There's my first shot right there. My aim point was over here, and there it is. A big old hole. And there's the hole in the golf ball. There's another piece right here. So, all right, guys, it's 200 yards. Tomorrow we'll go to 300 yards and beyond, hopefully. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.